guys, so today is my day 2, my balik loob program. So ayan, here I am wearing my Suna suit. So grabe yung pawis ko sa Suna na to. So nagugustuhan ko talaga yung feeling. Ayan, hindi pa ako nakapag-start ng workout ko, pero grabe na yung pawis ko dito. Tignan niyo, pero mas grabe talaga yung pawis ko after mag-workout. Talagang basa lahat, as in basang-basa. Lahat talaga as in. So ayan, I am wearing, here is my attire for tonight. Ayan, may Suna suit. So first, gagawin ko is I'm using my stationary bike for 20 minutes. Actually, before when I had my workout year 2019, lumiit talaga ako noon. Nag-gym ako, nasa gym ako noon that time. So, yan, first ko talaga is yung, yung stationary bike for 40 minutes, I think. But since bago lang ako ngayon, bumabalik. So, 20 minutes lang muna tayo ngayon. So, let's do the first, my stationary bike.